Hi, welcome to the assembly video of the Weistek DIY UV curing machine. Before we begin, do make sure you have all the needed parts to complete the assembly. Firstly, remove all protective covering. Take the bottom piece and mount the motor on it using the provided screws and nuts. Take the side panel and secure it to the bottom piece using the provided screws and nuts. Take the rear panel and do the same. Now take the lower front panel and attach it with the rest. Be sure to secure the panels with the provided screws and nuts as seen in this video. You can now take the other side panel and attach it with the rest. Before we proceed with the next step, be sure to secure all the panels with the provided screws and nuts. The next step is to assemble the control unit and the LED to the top panel. Also remember to pop in the color-coded button covers. Now loop the connectors through the small opening at the bottom panel. Next, mount the female jack on the opening at the rear panel. Lastly, connect the motor to the connector. Connect the other end of the connector to the assembled top unit just now. The red connector goes to the control unit and the blue connector goes to the LED unit. With the wiring done, you can then secure the top panel to the rest of the assembly. Be sure to mount everything with a provided nut and screw. Also tidy up the wiring with the provided cable tie. For this step, we will need to prepare the turntable mount with the provided shorter screw. We then secure this assembled part on the turntable motor unit. We will now proceed to assemble the front opening panel of the unit. Be sure that the hinges are facing the correct orientation as seen in this video. Once assembled, mount them at the top panel of the unit. We are almost done with the assembly. Take the provided magnets and let them naturally stick to the nut of the lower front panel. Put a dab of glue on both magnets and close the front panel on top of them. Hold it in place for about 10 seconds. You now have a functional magnetic latch for the front panel. Put the turntable on top of the turntable mount, aligning the holes to the screw. You may stick the included logo sticker for the final finishing touch. Also be sure to stick the button indicator sticker so you know which button does what. And with that, you have completed the assembly of the UV curing box. Happy printing!